Hello friends, welcome to Blessed Excellence Center. Do way to subscribe to our channel. In our last class, we looked at reaction of Grignard reagent with methanol. In today's class, we are giving attention to the reaction of Grignard reagent with propanal. Now look at this reaction. You have CH3, CH2, C, double bond O, and H. This is the formula for propanal. And then you have CH3, MgCl. That's a Grignard reagent. We call this methyl magnesium chloride. Methyl magnesium chloride. So how will they react together? Look at the nature of the reaction. The arrow helps us to illustrate. When you break this bond this way, the oxygen here will be negatively charged and the carbon here will be positively charged. Okay, good. Then when you break this bond this way, according to this arrow illustration, the methyl group here will be negatively charged and the magnesium will be positively charged. The next thing is for them to exchange their charges. Look at the way this arrow illustrates, showing you that this MgCl, that is magnesium chloride, that is positively charged, will be attached to this oxygen that is negatively charged, and that gives you OMgCl. Next, you see that this arrow also illustrating that this CH3 being methyl group in red, being negatively charged, will be attached to this carbon that is positively charged, and that leads to the formation of this CH3 that attached to this carbon here. And this is an intermediate. We call it chloromagnesium alkoxide. Chloro because of the chlorine, magnesium because of magnesium atom, alkoxide because of the oxygen and the hydrocarbon chain. So this is the first step of the reaction of Grignard reagent with propanal. Now look at the next step. In the next step, you subject the intermediate that is formed in the previous step to acid hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis means reaction with water in the presence of acid. Now this is water here, this is proton. The proton here represents the acid. So when the bond in water molecule is cleaved this way, the hydroxyl ion will be negatively charged and the hydrogen here will be positively charged. You come over this way, you cleave the bond between the oxygen and magnesium, and that gives this oxygen negative charge and magnesium a positive charge. The next thing is for them to exchange their charges. Now the hydrogen here that is positively charged will be attached to this oxygen that is negatively charged, and that leads to the formation of this OH. Then this OH that is negatively charged will be attached to this MgCl that is positively charged, and that leads to the formation of HOMgCl, and that is hydroxy magnesium chloride. It's actually an intermediate. Sorry, it's actually a byproduct of the reaction. Okay, so when you attach this H to this O, you have OH here. Apart from that, every other component is repeated. This CH3, CH2, and C is repeated here. CH3, CH2, and C. They are repeated. The CH3 in red is also repeated, and we call this 2-butanol. It's actually a secondary alcohol because the carbon bearing OH is bonded to two alkyl group. CH3, CH2 is an alkyl group. CH3 is also an alkyl group. So there are two alkyl groups attached to this carbon. Hence, this is a secondary alcohol. And that is how propanal reacts with Grignard reagent. Thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe.